Hi, this is Edith, Educational Technologist at Oregon Tech, and I did not go over the other tabs available for appointments and meetings, so I kind of wanted to do that a little bit. You have some other extra tabs here, and I'll go over it with appointment as well. I can go to Insert, and I can attach a file, so that's possible that there's a file that I want to include into the meeting, and so I can attach it. The nice thing that Outlook has done recently is actually put up your most recent documents here, so you don't have to go looking for it, which I am forever grateful for, because sometimes I forget where I put files and I'm trying to find it quick enough so that I can get it out to somebody. So this is a really nice shortcut. You can also go to web location, so when you start setting up your OneDrive, you can also put it up there and be able to access it from there, or you can go other places online. So it looks like mostly these are going to be areas where it is online applications, Office 365 applications. I can also add an Outlook item, so if I want to include an email, I can actually grab one, it seems like, or a folder. So I can go in there. Oh, here. So I can grab this and say okay, and now I have that as well added into my my meeting. I can also add a business card. I know I talked about that in a prior video for signatures. And so that's how I can add my business card. That you can edit a business card in Microsoft Outlook and create one with all your contact information, and you might even be able to scan it. I haven't checked into that. If I do find out, I will definitely do a video on that, but you may be able to scan in your OIT card, business card or something, and have that show up here as well. I can include my signature, and I went over signatures as well in Microsoft Outlook. There is a video for that, so if you don't know how to do a signature, there is one here. So you can attach that as well. Now my meeting is starting to get quite built up here. I can include a table, so if you want to make a table, I can include a document item. Find documents. So this again is just something that you can go over and look at. You can include pictures, shapes, icons, smart art chart, a hyperlink. So like if I set up a meeting, I can actually add the hyperlink to my OneNote books so that anybody who comes to my trainings will already have the information there. I can include a bookmark. I can include a text box. This is a lot of stuff that you will see like in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or Excel. I could do quick parts. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but okay, so it'll put in some basic information for me. I could put in word art. You have a lot of capabilities here, a horizontal line. So you have a lot of things that you can do here, and just be aware you can also do this in appointment, and we'll go double check that for sure. And again, formatting text, if you're familiar with Word, then you are familiar with this. It's just the same information that is available to you that would be on a Word document. You can change your font, you can bold it, italicize it, change colors, bullet it, show your hidden marks, formatting marks. You can change the styles. This is just quick on a style, or you can get more styles here, find, replace, select, editing. So if you're curious how this works and what else other functionalities you have, you can always go to the Microsoft Word document home tab, video or page, and that will give you the information up there. And review, also stuff that's available in Microsoft Word. So obviously Microsoft Word is going to be the editor for Outlook as far as if you're going into creating like a document type thing to put into this meeting, and if you didn't want to do it as a attachment. And so you could do a spelling check. Spelling grammar check, thesaurus, how many words do I have? You can click on that, it'll show you that. I love that. You can translate, so if you need to translate something. Language, so you can choose your language. You can ink. Inking is available if you have a touch screen. It may be available if it's a desktop, but I'm not exactly confident that's true. So I can actually use my pen or my pencil or my mouse to write, and erase. I didn't want that on there, never mind. I can stop inking, change your color, I want, purple instead of red, whatever the case may be, how thick you want your line to be, that type of thing, and then I can just stop inking. So those are the things that you would have available to you. This does not allow me to go into appointment, which is really just disappointing to me. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this so that we don't have it saved here. And let's go ahead and go into new appointment and see if there's anything much more different. Oh, darn it. So let's see, we have insert. So again, it's the same stuff that we had talked about. I don't know why it's showing up as a meeting, so let's try this again. New appointment, and let's go to insert. So I do have these options. If I put some here, if I'm in the box, then I can add some other information. So this is essentially the same as meeting, same as format text, obviously. The HTML, like I've explained in previous videos, is so that you can insert pictures and do fancy fonts, because otherwise it doesn't really recognize it. So, but again, this is more for personal use. Appointments are for personal use information. So you can do whatever you want in here. And then review, again, same thing, spelling, grammar, thesaurus, word count, smart lookup, look something up. I don't use a lot of these functions, so you can translate language and then do inking as well here. So that's just the little extra that I forgot to add into that. Skype meeting is the same way. Just so you know, insert again. I just want to make sure that you understand that I am not skipping anything. You still have those same functionalities, and format text, same thing, and review, same thing. So questions, comments, concerns, please contact me, edith.worden@oit.edu, extension 51730, and Skype. Anytime. You have my Skype information. It's Edith Worden. You just find me in the directory and send me a text or send me, video call me. I will be more than glad to contact and talk with you. Thank you and have a great day.